students, we are discussing examples from practical number 2. Here is another example. Example is for which integer x 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 7 if any sequence 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 x graphical. That means they have given a degree sequence which is graphical and we want to find value of x. Along with this they have given condition on x, that is x is 0 less than or equal to x and less than or equal to 7. That means x is varies between 0 and 7. I have written here given degree sequence and I have written here the given data, that is given degree sequence is graphical and condition on x is 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 7. First we will count how many terms in this sequence. Okay, so the number of terms are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 8 terms in given degree sequence and 7 is present here. That means there exists a graph with degree sequence in S. That means there exists a graph with one vertex with degree 7 and total number of vertices in graph is 8. Okay, so if there exists a vertex of degree 7 in a graph on 8 vertices, then there cannot be a vertex of degree 0. So x cannot be 0. Okay, again I am repeating. G is a graph with this degree sequence S and G is a graph on 8 vertices. Also G contains a vertex with degree 7, so it cannot contain a vertex with degree 0. So I am writing here G is a graph, let G is a graph with degree sequence S. Since there is it implies G has 8 vertices. Since there is a vertex of degree 7 in G, that implies there cannot be a vertex with degree 0 in G. With degree 0 in G. So that implies x is not equal to 0. We want to find value of x from this condition. That is x is between 0 and 7. But now just we have proved x cannot be 0. So value of x can be 1 to 7. Also we know that number of odd vertices in any graph is always even. So how many number of odd vertices in G? 1, 3, 5 and 7. These are odd vertices in G. And that number is 1, 2, 3, 4. That means there are 4 odd vertices in graph G. So if x is odd, then G will contain 5 odd vertices. And this will be contradiction to G contains even number of vertices with odd degree. So also we know that number of odd vertices in any graph is always even and G has already 4 vertices with odd degree. That implies degree of x cannot be odd. So that implies degree of x cannot be odd. So that implies what are possible odd numbers from 0 to 7? 1 to 7. Actually we have omitted 0. So that implies x not equal to 1, x not equal to 3, x not equal to 5 and x not equal to 7. So that implies we have omitted x is equal to 0, 1, 3, 5 and 7. So what are the possible values for x? 2, 4 and 6. Possible values of x are 2, 4 and 6. That implies possible values of x are 2, 4 and 6. So now how to find exact value of x? We will draw a graph with this degree sequence and we'll find what is the value of x. Okay, so I am drawing a graph here. So first S is, consider S. S is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, x. So, and we want to draw a graph G with the degree sequence S. So, we want to draw a graph on 8 vertices. So, I am drawing 8 vertices. The graph corresponding to degree sequence S is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there is a vertex of degree 7. So I am considering this vertex, first vertex with degree 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have to draw one more vertex and 7. Okay. Now there is one vertex of degree 6. So this is a vertex with degree 7. So I am writing here 7. A vertex with degree 6. Now I am considering this vertex and making degree of this vertex 6. So first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. I am drawing this graph again. Wait for a second. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. G is a graph on 8 vertices. So I have drawn 8 vertices. Now I want to draw a graph, draw a vertex with degree 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this is a vertex with degree 7. Now I want a vertex with degree 6. So I am making, this is a vertex with degree 6. So degree is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is a vertex with degree 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we want a vertex with degree 5. So let's make this vertex with degree 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is a vertex with degree 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also there is a vertex with degree 4. So if we consider this vertex, it has degree 1, 2, 3. So by joining these two, this vertex, it has degree 4 and this is a vertex with degree 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have written here 4. This is a vertex with degree 2. This is a vertex with degree 3, degree 2 and degree 1. So we have drawn a graph with one vertex of degree 7, one vertex of degree 6, one vertex of degree 5, one vertex of degree 4, one vertex of degree 3, one vertex of degree 2 and one vertex of degree 1. Plus this vertex has degree 4. That means our x should be 4. So therefore x is equal to 4 is a right answer. Okay, we will discuss another example in our next video. Take a screenshot of this answer.